Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to explain about Bevnal.com reviews of Canada. Is legit or a scam? Friends, this is not a website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till the end. I will share the way to get your money back. Now let us proceed further and see what this website is offering to customers. As we can clearly see from the images, this website provides all household furniture and accessories. Also, Bevnal.com is a totally household furniture accessory store. Over this website, we can see that they are offering this type of furniture household. Also, this website is offering a good discount on all household furniture accessories. Now let us move to the payment mode. As we can see that this website provides all cards like Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, American Express, Discover. Now let us move to the shipping process. As we can see that the shipping process is the duration of 1 to 5 days. Now let us talk about legitimacy checkpoints. Before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let us talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. As we can say that this website provides a good quality of all household furnitures. Also, this website is HTTPS protocol, which means the payment gateway is safe and secure. Also, this website is registered on 29th of October 2020, which means that this is a new website. Now let us move further and see on the About Us section. As we can see that this website contains About Us page, but the content of this website is totally plagiarized, which is a negative point for this website. We can also contact through this website. As we can see that they have given the building address, which is 2609 Pico PL APT 129 San Diego, California 92109 USA, which is not properly provided, which is a negative point for this website. Also, we can contact through the email ID, which is bevnal@outlook.com, which is equal to its domain name. Also, this site does not have any social media icons, which is a negative point for this website. Now let us move to the refund policy. As we can see that there is no such information regarding the refund policy duration of the days, but if you face any issue regarding it, you can tell us on the comment box. Now let us move to the customer reviews. As we can see that this site doesn't have any customer reviews, and we have also checked on the Google. This website doesn't contain any customer reviews, which is a negative point for this website. As we can also see that the website quality is also not good, which on these checkpoints we can claim this website as a scam. We can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thoughts about this video. We read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe. Thank you.